Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make oil using avocado. First, gather ripe avocados and a neutral carrier oil, then blend flesh until uniformly smooth. Heat the puree gently to release moisture, strain through cheesecloth or a fine mesh, and press to extract oil. Let the liquid settle for clarity, decant into a sanitized glass jar, label with the date, and store away from light for best freshness. After extraction, cool the oil and decant carefully to separate any remaining water and solids before bottling. Use avocado oil for dressings, low-heat sautéing, or topical skincare while noting its moderate smoke point. Refrigerate to extend shelf life or keep in a dark cabinet if you use it quickly. Always smell and taste a small sample to ensure freshness, and rotate jars so older batches get used first. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help more people learn. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many think about money and oddly pairs with homemade projects by valuing time and simplicity. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick up the book. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If oil appears cloudy or off, refilter and allow extended settling at cool temperatures to clarify it. Avoid overheating during processing because high heat destroys beneficial compounds and creates unpleasant flavors. Sanitize all tools and jars before use and dry them thoroughly to reduce bacterial risk. Label each jar with extraction date, monitor for any sour odor or visible mold, and discard questionable oil immediately to stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.